So what we have
it's just incredibly brilliant.
All right, so what we have here is the LG Revolution Verizon Wireless 4G most advanced device. It runs on the Android operating system 2.2 Froyo. It is upgradable to the next operating system that you'll have on here. If I was using the browser, just be able to do something on here automatically with the 2.2 and Flash embedded in here with Flash 10. It will actually play all the videos that you have. If I just go to a bookmark as well, go to something like the New York Times,
download and stream
over the 4G network just like this.
Programs, those kinds of things.
What's nice is how fast that's going to end up rendering. Just like this, I still have that picture zoom display just like I have with all the other devices. But you can see how fast that ended up rendering, how fast that website loaded on there. Things like ESPN. Traditional ESPN website, if you do the full desktop browser, it doesn't tend to load as fast. You notice there's a lot of lag time. With the 4G device on here, you notice it's already done. I can already start zooming in and render what I'm looking for. Again, it'll play the videos if I wanted to, just like this, or I can do my image on here. I go back to my home display, just like with the menus that I have, very similar to all the other Android operating systems that we have. I can go home.
This will give you an idea.
Again, mark it. If I wanted to do Skype, this is one of the best things about Skype, being able to use it unlimited Skype to Skype calls over the 4G network. You've got a front-facing camera that's 1.3 megapixels, and on the back you've got a 5 megapixel camera on here as well. So this is what it would look like if you were to use Skype on this device over 4G.
More subpixels, so you're getting 12 colors, whereas before you would get 8.
So really what you see behind this is the network as well. So we hooked this up to multiple devices over the last couple of days. And it's not like it's a network we drove into town and set up. It's the real thing. It's the real network that we have here in Vegas. It's one of the initial 38 launches that we have here. And it absolutely works phenomenal. It was quite impressive to see everybody working at once.
This is it's like
picking my rear of the device just looks like this.
Incredible. But the screen on
you've got the logos on here
is unparalleled. It's
Verizon Wireless 4G. LG product.
This is the Samsung 4G LTE smartphone.
5 megapixel with Flash.
So that's simply
something kind of nice about this too than LG, because LG tends to used to be kind of the middle of the road as far as the Androids, the Ally, and you had some things. This one has the 512 of RAM that's on there as well. But what you also get on this side is an HDMI out. You got an HDMI mini out
just
on this device as well.
Whether you're looking at bookmarks and you want to see streaming video.
Is this 4G up in Vegas?
Just like that, you've got your standard micro charging port on there.
Network.
You can do your standard
no, not at all.
On HDMI.
This is one of our launch markets.
I think LG's really stepped up on that.
38 markets across the country, plus 60 airports.